friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download ringtones. So let's begin it. First we need to open Chrome browser and search there mp3 juice. It will browse a number of websites. Click the first website which is official. Then this type of interface will appear. Search which ringtone do you want to download. I'll search Kalki BGM. You have to write the ringtone, otherwise the full whole song will be downloaded. Many number of ringtones will come. You can play, and whichever is accurate you can download. So I'll play this one. So if you need this ringtone to be downloaded, then click here download option, and it will bring here. You can download mp3. You can download anything. I'll download 3.39 MB. You can see it is downloading. Just wait for a second, it will be download will be completed. Now the download is completed. I'll click on this. You can hear this ringtone. That's it for this today's video. Thank you. Keep supporting.